G'day and welcome back. This is the final part 6 of lead magnets. So I've given you hopefully a good overview about the lead magnet. Now finally what you can do if you really want to take your PLR and your lead magnet to the next level, you can go one step further. You can use a product like Scribble, for example, which really puts tremendous oomph into your package. Comment over there if you want the link to Scribble, and then there's also other products like online artificial intelligence voice regeneration. Type in a topic, type in a little bit of a description, and it'll give you alternatives. Okay, and then there's content respinners. Now these are not for copying people's work. They're for taking work that you already own and just giving it another edge, just to make it fresher. Again, drop a comment if you want the link for that type of product. See you later.